Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been like a month, I think, since I have sat down and filmed. I have just had so much stuff going on lately. I'm currently 34 weeks and 3 days pregnant. I'll give you a little belly update. So I got all that going on. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing my fall Fabfitfun unboxing, and then also, I know it's super late, but my August giveaway box I have right here. So we're just gonna get right into it, have a short intro. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I got in my fall box, and stay tuned to the end to see what I have in my August giveaway. Okay, so like I said, I've had a lot going on lately. Like we just went to Mississippi for my grandmother's retirement party, had a lot of family there. I have doctor's appointments every week now because of the cysts on the baby's kidneys, checking amniotic fluid, checking the umbilical cord, all this stuff. Our kitty died like a month or two ago. It's just a lot of stuff has been going on. So anywho's, like, I've taken a little bit of a break lately and I'm trying to get back into it, and then I'm sure I'll take another break because I am expecting to have this baby next month. I don't think I'll make it to October, just based off of how I'm feeling, how huge I am. So yeah, we're gonna jump into my fall Fabfitfun box. Now this does come with like a little magazine that lists everything and the prices in it, but I don't know where mine went. I think my kids got into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you everything. I have the annual one, so I pay for it all yearly and I get to pick every single item. So everything in here I did pick. So let's start it off with the first item, which is from MEEEE. And this is the Cure Bond Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. I was super excited about this because I'm running low on my Briogeo shampoo conditioner and I wanted to try something different. So this is for like damaged hair, which I did a couple months ago, just chop off like all of my dyed hair and everything. So it's a lot healthier, but still want to just keep it that way. I don't really apply heat to it very often, maybe once a week or once every other week, if that. Next thing in here was this really cool item, which I'm really excited about. I've been wanting to use it, but I was waiting to film this video. But it's a little clock, and like I use my phone as my clock at, you know, on my nightstand, but sometimes it would be nice just to turn over and not have to check my phone and have a clock. So this is just a little digital marble clock here, batteries, plug in, all that stuff. Really cute, really tiny. So this will fit easily on my nightstand, plenty of room for that. Then we have this in here. I don't know if this is a random thing or what. I'm not gonna drink this. I will probably just give it to my husband. But it's this Heineken. I don't even know what this is. Alcohol free. I have no idea what this is. This little drink thing in here. I will not drink that, so I'll give that to my husband to see if he wants it. Another thing in here is like this little jewelry holder. 3-tier. I thought this is really cute. I don't know if I'll put it on my vanity or on my nightstand, but I currently don't have anything to put my ring in or earrings. Like I have a jewelry box, but like I'll take them out or whatever. I take my ring off every night, so probably put like that on here. And it's super cute. I really like it, like the marbling and everything. Really into marble stuff lately, if you can't tell. Another random thing in here is this Dove dry spray. I don't know, I guess this is just some random stuff in there. And then another item is the Porefessional Primer. I actually already have this, so I'm going to save this for a giveaway. Not this giveaway because I already have several things in this giveaway box, so this will be for a different one. And then another thing is this Zoella, I think is what it's called, and it's a comb set. I got this mainly for my daughter because I do her hair every day, and I was in need of a nice little like rat tail comb. So this is nice, really cute. It's actually pretty nice too. It's not heavy. And then another like wide tooth comb. So these are cute. I always have several brushes and combs and stuff on hand. Few things left. So next I have from Arth Harbor. This is their Marina Brightening Serum. I have used stuff from them before and I liked it, so I'm excited for this one. I love getting serums and stuff. Ooh, and this one is a really pretty blue color. That is just so pretty. Interesting smell. The one I had last time was this green one and it smelled really interesting as well. So yeah, 2 things left. Next we have from Purely's this pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. I love a good face mask. I don't like sheet masks. I don't like peel off masks. I like charcoal masks, mud masks. So really interested in this. Pumpkin is, you know, fall, so I'm excited for that. And I have used several things from Purely's before, so I know I like them. And then the last thing in here is from Perez. It is their renewing body cleanser. So I'm assuming it's like a body wash, obviously, which is good because I was just about out of the one that I had. Ooh, that smells really good. That's like a really clean, citrusy kind of smell. I really like that. So excited for that. This smells really good. I feel like this would be great to use like in the morning. Waken yourself up. Like, I love citrus stuff. Anywho's, that is everything I got in this season's box. Overall, it was okay. They did have a lot of really good choice stuff. Like they had blanket and some other stuff, but this is what I picked. I do, however, think it's completely worth the money in my opinion, just for the things that I know I really like. So overall, I am very pleased with it. Have I had better fall boxes? Yes, but I still do like this one. So now we're going to jump into my giveaway box. So let's see what I have in here. I honestly can't remember because I packed this a while ago and now I'm just opening it back up. So first thing in here, this is really random. I think I got in a Fabfitfun box a while ago, but it's a mason jar water bottle and it comes with like a sleeve. I just don't use this. I don't need it. I haven't used it, obviously. I don't need it. I have so many water bottles, but just a mason jar water bottle is basically what it is. I think it's blue. Yes. I will open it and show you. It is blue. That's what it looks like. Really random, but something I don't need, so I figured, you know, just put something a little different in the giveaway because it's always makeup stuff. So I feel like somebody would hopefully like that. And then I have this Humankind hand scrub, and it is elderberry and raspberry. Then I have a Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. I have a little like random, what is this called? Trial, I don't know, size stuff from Shiseido. There's a face wash, an eye cream, and a moisturizer all in here from Shiseido. And this is like decent size. And then you guys know I always have a eyeshadow palette. So this is from Ciate London. It is the Editor palette, New England edition. That's what this looks like. I'm not going to swatch it or anything again because I'm not going to use it. But that is what it looks like. There's protective film on it. Really pretty colors. So that. And then I think that is everything for this month. Let me see if I can fit anything else in here. You know what, just because, let's go ahead and throw this Porefessional Primer in there as well. So those are all the items in this month's box. I know it's super late, that this is going up. So it'll be up for a week, so I will put the end date on the screen, and it lasts for a week. Like I said, USA only. 3 rules that always apply to my giveaways: be subscribed, like the video, and leave a comment. Make sure in the comment that you leave a way for me to contact you. If there is no way for me to contact you, you won't be entered in the giveaway, just because I've had so many people leave comments, never a way for me to reach them. So, and it's just hard to juggle all this stuff going on. So if you don't leave a way for me to contact you, you will not be entered. Anywho's, that is everything I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and being patient with me as I am trying to get back into everything. Let me know down below in the comments what videos you would like to see coming up for my channel. I plan on doing a packing my hospital bag video and also a old wives tale gender prediction video, because if you don't know, we do not know what we are having. We are waiting to find out. So those are 2 ideas that I have that I'm thinking about doing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye.